Hello everyone. Well, what day is it, Brantley?
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas tomorrow. Hope everybody stays safe and has a good Christmas. Today, we got a project we're going to try to get done pretty quick. But we're going to set our transformer pad. We got our conduit coming up from the pole. This conduit will go over to the house. We're going to go ahead, since we're not ready for that yet, we got some saran wrap. We're going to wrap around the end of the pipe and drive a fence post at the end of it, and we'll go ahead and cover this back up. That way somebody doesn't fall off in it. And then they approved our conduit running from here, the outside conduit. They've approved us going over to the building. So I come up here last night and backfilled this so I could get back in the back. But we're going to backfill, well, first we'll get this taken care of, wrap it up so we don't get her mess the end of her pipe up, drive us a stake. We'll backfill all this back to about right here and over there, and then we'll fill this up with rock. We've got a little cradle wedged down in our trench here to sort of hold everything in line for our conduit. And then we've got our fiber cable for our internet and cable, and then conduit running to the garage, and then we've got another joint of conduit in the trailer that will slide down in the ditch as well. And then we've got a termination box that we'll have to position in here somewhere, and we'll get it fixed up and ready to go. So we'll bring you along for the ride. Like top of this so we can see it. We'll probably still run over it at some point, but maybe that'll help. Get my operator here to push us some dirt over. Hey Brantley, bring it on this side. Bring it on this side right here. Hey, take the tilt on your bucket and you can move it. Yeah, bring it, push it to where it brings it this way. There you go. Now, bring it on. Okay, good. All right, now take it over here. There you go. Now bring it on over, bring it on up. Just don't hit her fence post. Ease it on up. Good. All right, go back and get you another pass right beside it. Now use the tilt to bring it over this way. There you go. Pick it up a little. Good. Okay, what I need you to do.
Haven't shoveled by hand in a long time, haven't you?
Allergic to one of these. I just want to get it down in all the little cracks and crevices.
You do it.
Put a little hind end in behind it. Go ahead. There you go. A little rear end, boy. Get down here. Get in that way. There you go. All right, here is our termination box or junction box, if you want to call it, for a cable. This box, your conduit comes up from the bottom side, and then that gives them a place to terminate your fiber and cable. So we're going to set that to where it mounts flush with the top of the ground. So we're sort of excavating and leveling this out a little bit on this rock. So we'll pull our cable, or conduit rather, over here and stub it up. I'm going to try to loop it to where when they come in with their wire, they can roll it in the box and then have a smooth transition to go back down in the conduit, so they don't have any kinks or tight places to pull their wire through. So that's what we're working on now. Once we get that done, get it leveled up, get the height we want, we'll backfill everything with rock, level our pad for our transformer pad, and then we'll have this whooped. All right, we got our box set, got our conduit in there. Those guys can come back and cut that conduit off the length they need, but we've got it laid in there to where it sort of comes in this way, so they can come right out and loop and go, kind of put a long sweep in it, so that way they won't have any problem pulling their wire. So we're going to put the cover back on this, and we've got our pad where Brantley's standing. We've got our pad leveled and ready for a transformer pad. So let's go get the forks and set a pad. that's a wrap. We got our transformer pad in, kind of got it roughed in around it, and got our termination box or junction box for our cable installed. So we got it on a bed of rock. Everything's set down nice and level. So we're ready for the power company to come run us some juice up here, and hopefully we'll get a building up here built before long and we can plug everything up. So again, hope everybody has a good Christmas tomorrow, and if you watched, we appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Brantley, he's just itching at the next opportunity to run that shovel.
See y'all.